I just 3D printed these incredible mechanisms, but in order to appreciate these, you need to be familiar with head tracking. Birds have this amazing ability to keep their heads steady. They sense how their body is moving and counteract that movement with their neck. Crazy. Now watch this. Keep your eyes on the tip of the beak as I move through the full range of motion. See that? Here's a version with an even greater range of motion. Watch that tip right there. Up, side to side. This is just clever geometry. Okay, before I explain how this is used, let me explain how this works. So if you see right here, if your eyes follow each of these black tips, it will intersect the tip of that pen. That's the clue. When I hold it like this, as I get ready to lift this plastic up a few inches, it's going to deform, shifting the angle of that pencil. But the amount of deforming is perfectly baked into this geometry so that it perfectly counteracts the deformation. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so one thing you could use this for, imagine if it was made really small and put on the end of a surgical instrument. Maybe there's a scalpel here instead of a pen, and the surgeon could extend this to the surgical spot on the end of a rod, and just pulling some tiny strings, they could shift the angle of the surgical blade and make sure they're always cutting in just the right place. Or maybe this could be used to keep a satellite dish or a telescope focused at a perfect spot in the sky. You could move through a full range of motion and always keep that spot in focus. Now watch this. See how all those vibrations are damped out? Photographers use much more complex versions of this mechanism to keep their camera steady while they're walking, so it stays focused on the subject. What else do you think you could use this mechanism for? It's so clever.